Joining us tonight right here on Times Now for the first time since joining the BJP is Jyotiraditya Scindia. Jyotiraditya Scindia, Madhya Pradesh has spoken and Madhya Pradesh has given Jyotiraditya Scindia the big thumbs up, given the fact that the by-poll results have stood you out and stood out what you went in terms of your conviction. How does it feel to bring this victory to the BJP stable rather than your ex-party, the Congress party?
Well, first of all, thank you for having me, Navika, on your show. Let me say this, that this resounding victory in Madhya Pradesh is attributed, first of all, to the national leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi and our BJP President Mr. JP Nadda, along with our Home Minister Amit Shah, that have so well crafted the policies for the country that have benefited people in every state, including Madhya Pradesh. Secondly, it goes first of all to the people of Madhya Pradesh who have reposed their confidence in the Bharatiya Janata Party under the leadership of Shivraj Singh Chauhan as the Chief Minister. And finally, and most importantly, to every single BJP worker that has put their best into this fight and treated this as their own election right down to the polling booth level, which has been able to deliver the results for the party. And I think it is the combined leadership at the state level of the Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, along with the BJP Chief Vishnudat Sharma, the Sangathan Mantri Suhas Bhagat, and all of the leaders at the state level that have been able to combine and produce this result.
Jyotiraditya Scindia, I know this is your valedictory speech, you're giving your thank yous around, but I want to ask you straight from the heart. You think that's the difference between the BJP and the Congress? You think it's the leadership as well as the cadre that works right to the grassroots that really is the difference between the BJP and the Congress today? Because the Congress seems to be in all sorts of drift. Rahul Gandhi not quite there, no leadership, possibly making the difference between the RJD's loss or win in Bihar as well. I want you to say that as it is without mincing your words, because that's what you normally do.
You're absolutely right, Navika. If you look at the Bharatiya Janata Party as an organization, and my experience, even though my ties with the BJP are almost 3 generations old, but having said that, my entry into the BJP only over the last 8 months, what I have experienced is right down from the top, from Delhi all the way down to the grassroots level, whether it is the ward level in a city or the panchayat level in rural Madhya Pradesh. There is complete synergy right down to the grassroots level. And every single activist stroke worker of the BJP has one thing in mind, which is the party and service of the people. And that has been my experience for over the last 6 or 7 months. Of course, it's been a very, very difficult challenge when almost 1.5 lakh people joined the Bharatiya Janata Party when this move happened in March. And there has to be an integration that has to occur well. And you and I both very well know that between institutions, the most important recipe is a cultural integration. And the BJP leadership at the central level and the state level worked so hard at making sure that that happens, along with the people at the grassroots level.
That's an important point.
The whole harmony was present in the election. And that harmony actually resulted in a massive mandate which we were able to win thanks to the trust that the people reposed in the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, that's a very important point, Mr. Scindia.
The credit for this victory, first of all, must go to the public of Madhya Pradesh, who has very clearly identified they trust in the long term, and must go to the Bharatiya Janata Party Karyakarta.
It's quite obvious that, Mr. Scindia, that you are at great pains to not give yourself some credit too. Now, you had made this a prestige battle. Could we say that there's also a double engine now in Madhya Pradesh? There is Jyotiraditya Scindia combining very well with Shivraj Singh Chauhan. leading this party now towards greater glory, number one. Number two, most importantly, I wanted to ask you this, because wherever we have seen the Congress tie up with certain other political parties, regional parties, that advantage hasn't kind of transferred to those regional parties. What do you think is the reason? We are seeing it again in Bihar. The one laggard in the Mahagathbandhan has been the Congress party. Do you think this is going to put off other forward, perhaps in Tamil Nadu with the DMK or even the left in Bengal?
Well, to answer your first question, Rahul, I think that the leadership is very, very clear in Madhya Pradesh. The leadership in Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji, and I feel privileged to work with him in Madhya Pradesh, side by side with him. Our agenda, our common agenda, his agenda, my agenda, and I would say for that purpose, every single leader and workers' agenda in Madhya Pradesh is development and progress and service of the people of Madhya Pradesh. And I have had a tremendous working relationship with every single leader and worker of the BJP over the last 6 to 8 months. We've been working in harmony together, and we have now been given that task to fulfill the aspirations of the people of Madhya Pradesh for the next 3.5 years, which we will work and persevere to deliver. The corrupt of Mr. Kamal Nath and Mr. Digvijay Singh's combination.
Jyotiraditya Scindia, I know, you are going around the tree. You're not taking the name of the Congress party. You're not talking about Rahul Gandhi. You're not talking about Sonia Gandhi. You left the party. I want to ask you, what is the difference that you see? Why is the Congress in the situation that it is? As Rahul asked you the question, I reiterate that question. I've asked you that question before. Is it the leadership that is in some sort of a stupor in the Congress party, or is it completely away from the ground realities of the people?
Well, Navika, I've said this to you before, and I'm going to repeat it on your show, that I believe in the present and in the future. The Congress party is now my past. Point number one. Point number two, I also do not believe in commenting on other political parties. That is for the Congress to introspect as to why they are in the position that they are in. Why is it that people are leaving? Why is it that the public are not reposing trust in the Congress? Those are questions that the Congress party has to answer for themselves. And thirdly, and most importantly, I have maintained... Rahul, just let me finish.
What would you advise them?
Rahul, just let me finish.
Yes.
Rahul, just let me finish.
Yes.
Thirdly, I have maintained a dignity of silence for the last 8 months. I do believe that there is dignity in that silence, and I don't propose to break that dignity at this point of time. Please allow me to maintain that dignity.
I respect that.
I do not believe in political opportunism.
That's a principled position that you're taking.
Political leaders do.
I respect that entirely. That's decency.
And that's not my DNA.
Yeah, but just extrapolate from here. This is my last question to you. Why is it, therefore, that you don't see, and this is just as somebody who is an analyst as well as a practitioner of politics, and let me just ask you this. Why is the Congress in the unhappy situation of not being able to, at any level, advantage an ally? Why doesn't that happen? What do you think could be the reason? Just as perhaps as an observer of politics,
well, as a
BJP leader.
While I was in the Congress.
Yes.
While I was in the Congress party, I have raised these issues across many fora. I put forward my queries, my questions, and also some of my suggestions in those fora, whether it was the Congress Working Committee or in other fora. It is for the Congress to decide on what their strategy is. It is not for me, or if I may dare say so, for you or for Navika or for anyone else to decide for them. If they choose to live in an environment where they are divorced from reality, that is the party's choice. And I don't think I should comment on that. I can only comment on the Bharatiya Janata Party and our strategy and our commitment towards the people of India, and for me, the people of Madhya Pradesh.
Well, that's a principal stand, but I suppose you have said quite a bit
Well
without saying
said,
that much.
Jyotiraditya
Divorce
Scindia,
from
while I
reality.
congratulate you,
I
I
mean,
just
even-
want to
even-
ask you,
even-
I just want to
even,
ask you, when
even
are we
Navika,
going to see you as
even
part
when
of
I
the
was,
union cabinet?
even when I was in the Congress party,
Yes.
you know, let me finish. Even when I was in the Congress party, I had a principal stand on 370. Even when I was in the Congress party, I had a principal stand on the Ram Mandir. Even when I was in the Congress party, I had a principal stand on the state of affairs post the 2019 elections. So it's not something that I am raising today,
As
which
a
I did
revelation.
not raise while I was a member of that party.
Precisely.
But today I am no longer a member of that party, so I would not like to comment on the internal
Sure.
goings on of
Fair
a political party that I am no longer a member of.
Fair point, Jyotiraditya Scindia, but when are we going to see you in the union cabinet?
Well, Navika, you've always seen me as a public servant for the last 20 years, and my only ambition in life is to be a public servant, working on development and progress and finding a place in people's hearts. My pursuit has never been a nameplate, has never been a chair.
Okay, well,
and I think you've seen this
you've
often
served-
enough over the last two and a half years
You've
yourself.
served admirably.
And my
people-
cause is that
And people who serve not just their party but also the people get rewarded. Are you even looking at the possibility of a central berth, or would you just rule that out and say, look, I want to be at the state level?
the only ambition and target that I have is to serve. Public service is my end goal and not
Okay.
politics.
Okay, well,
Politics
that doesn't
for me is only a route
that
towards
doesn't
the end
that
goal of
doesn't
public
preclude your joining the center and serving the country.
Congratulations to you
Okay.
for that stupendous performance in Madhya Pradesh. Many congratulations, and I'll be back for a detailed chat and
Thank
get
you.
you to
Thank
speak on issues that you haven't spoken till now on. Waiting for that day. Thank you, Jyotiraditya Scindia.